low flow. Now, consequence of the likelihood. So, what will be the consequence? Ultimately, high level in this tank, right? And if you don't touch the high level, it will trip. It will trip. It will trip. So, question here is the
Yeah.
moment there is low flow, and you have the time to correct the situation in 5 minutes. If you are not able to take corrective action, ultimately this will trip on LAHH. Correct?
Yes.
So ultimately
Yes.
loss of production. Loss of production.
Yes.
So
Ultimately, we'll lose the production.
sorry?
Ultimately, we will reach high and lose the production.
Loss of production, yes.
Yeah, Khalid, what about the cascade effect on the first stage separator because of this low flow? Is there any impedance first stage separator also?
The process
Yeah,
separator.
No, first stage separator.
I
First
use
stage
the
separator.
level inside the first stage because I didn't direct any
Yes.
flow towards the first stage.
No, what will happen, Guru, is you
Yeah.
stop the flow from here, right?
Okay.
Our
Yeah.
first stage separator is controlling.
Yes.
So it will cause the
Yes.
LCB there, right?
Yeah, yeah.
The,
I
the
would
issue,
tell
I
you-
think, for the slug catcher.
Yeah,
not for the
I
first
am
stage.
seeing
Yeah.
only the loss of production. If you are not able
Yes.
to take corrective action, the moment you get low flow alarm until it reaches to LAHH, only it will make the ESD function and it will trip the system. The loss of production.
Yep.
Correct. So loss of production here the severe. I mean we are considering B only. Loss of production is category of medium only. If you see,
Yeah, same
Yes.
as what we have at the first one. Yeah.
yeah. But here we should have some linkage. But we go for the medium only because this is less than 2 million, less than 1 million as per the matrix.
Yeah, yeah.
Heavy low flow.
Should be same as the first one because we're
Yeah.
still talking about slug culture, Chairman. Yeah.
Yes. Same. I mean, loss of production in this system is only less than million. I will just open again the screen. Same here too.
Yeah.
So this category, and this is minor category. Minor here is minor here is medium. So we'll go for this we have seen medium. And after this, medium versus B is the same. Response time is prompt because this is immediate.
Immediate.
Yeah, because if you see the category here,
5 minutes.
I will also use this one so that we don't need to flip.
Yeah, it's 0 to 5 minutes is immediate.
Yes. 0 to 5 is immediate.
Yes.
So I'm putting